Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As someone who juggles multiple creative projects, I'm always hunting for tools that make life easier without compromising quality. When I came across Artistly 4.0, I couldn't resist diving in. The idea of creating professional-grade visuals, ads, logos, and more all in seconds sounded almost too good to be true. But after exploring it, I realized this isn't just another design tool. It's a game changer. Let's talk about what makes Artistly 4.0 so special. Imagine you need a stunning design, but you're short on time or don't have advanced design skills. The unlimited AI text-to-image generator takes your prompt and transforms it into professional visuals instantly. Whether it's logos, banners, or full-fledged ad campaigns, it's all done for you, no manual editing required. It feels like having a professional designer on call 24/7. Now, one feature that truly impressed me is the Mirror Magic Image Redesigner. Let's say you spot an ad or an image that inspires you but isn't yours to use. With this tool, you can upload it, and Artistly will generate a brand new, unique version of it. The text, colors, and layout are completely revamped, yet they maintain a professional look that's uniquely yours. And since everything is copyright protected, you can use it with confidence. If you've ever been stuck with a boring background in your photos or graphics, the Instant Scene Background Editor will blow your mind. It allows you to replace any backdrop in seconds. Want to turn a plain office photo into a serene beach setting or a bustling urban skyline? Just a few clicks, and it's done. The AI even handles complex details like lighting, shadows, and reflections, making the transformation look seamless and realistic. For anyone in e-commerce, Artistly has an ace up its sleeve with the Instant E-commerce Mockups feature. Forget spending hours or money on expensive photo shoots. This tool lets you place your designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, or even professional models. It's smart enough to handle details like fabric textures and wrinkles, ensuring your mockups look flawless. One challenge I often face is resizing or expanding images while keeping them looking sharp. That's where the Smart Image Expander comes in. It can fill in missing details or resize your images without compromising quality. Pair that with the automated AI text editor, and you've got a tool that can replace text in any image effortlessly. Just highlight the area, type in the new text, and the font, color, and style adjust automatically to match. What really stands out with Artistly is the AI in painting technology. This is perfect for more advanced edits, like replacing objects, changing clothing, or adding props to your images. It's as easy as highlighting the item you want to modify and typing a single keyword. The results are impressive, and the process couldn't be simpler. Artists we all hit creative roadblocks, right? That's where the AI photo-to-prompt decoder saves the day. You can upload any image, and Artistly generates a detailed prompt that inspires new designs. Combine this with the AI prompt enhancer, and you'll never have to stress over crafting the perfect prompt again. Just type a keyword, and the AI does the rest. For those working on branding or character design, Artistly offers a consistent character feature that ensures your designs stay cohesive across all your visuals. And if you're working on something more personal or playful, the custom face switcher allows you to add yourself or anyone else into the scene with remarkable accuracy. Sharp visuals make all the difference, and Artistly doesn't disappoint here either. Its AI image upscaler can enhance your image resolution up to 3 times, making everything look crisp and high definition. And when you're looking for fresh ideas, the community design feed is a goldmine of inspiration, filled with work from other creatives using Artistly. From start to finish, every tool in Artistly 4.0 feels thoughtfully designed to streamline the creative process and boost productivity. It's not just software. It's like having a creative partner that understands what you need and delivers it instantly. If you're looking for a way to take your projects to the next level, Artistly 4.0 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. I'll see you in the next one.